Hello and welcome to another WebFrame video. Today we are going to be going into website building in Website Builder. Website Builder controls the look and feel of the front of your website. So here's my website, and on the front here I have your cool website, and I got a button here, and I have my title of the site at the top and the login on the top right. So I am going to change that around here, and the way how we're going to do that is we come in here and we see all our pages, we see the publishing, and we see a few things at the top here. So let's start with the index page. That's the front page of our site. I'm going to go in here, instead of saying your cool site, I'm going to put my cool site. Now you can do this in HTML, but we can also actually, you don't have to code to do this. You can do this with a basic TinyMCE editor. Let me hit update. Let me hit publish site. And then I'm going to go over here and hit refresh. And the reason why you might not see it right away, it is coming in now, is because this site also takes caching. So you might have to refresh a couple times before you see it pop up. So I put that there. I put the site description here. Let's switch over to the basic editor, and you can see what it looks like doing it this way. So here's my cool site, and I'm going to add some exclamation points to the end here this way. I could add some other features here as well. Like, for instance, maybe I want to highlight this and italicize it. So I do that. I hit update. I hit publish to site. And I come over here and I check it out, and now we're italicized with the extra exclamation points. Now, another thing to note here is we can change the name of the page title. This is my home page, so I'm just going to call it home. And I can hide it, the page, so it doesn't show up in the navigation. But let's say I'd like it to show up with no parent in the navigation. Okay, that means it's not going to be under another page, and the priority tells it where it should show up. Very similar to like a WordPress. I hit refresh. And because this is the main page of my site, it's not going to show up here in the nav bar. But if I were to do that with another page, it would. Let's go and take a look at the CSS. So right here we have this background color on. If I were to remove this piece of CSS, okay, let's maximize this. If I were to remove this CSS, or maybe change the color, I don't know, let's put green. And I hit update and publish to site. You just got to it might be an indexing thing. Hold on one second. Oops. Accidentally put a 7 instead of a and sign. That's what our 404 page looks like, by the way, if someone comes to your site and doesn't see it. It seems like caching is besting us at the moment. So I'm going to just leave that alone, and we're going to go over and check out something else here. Some of the aesthetic pieces do cache for a bit. The title of the site here I have as WD title, whatever the name of my thing is here, but I could change that. I could X out of this, and I could call my site Bob and hit update. And now when I come over here, update and publish to site, there it goes. It says Bob. Okay, that at least is updating. What's great about PHP is we could put those pieces in there like echo WD title. And what it's going to do for us is whatever we switch our title to or whatever someone puts as the title, it's going to go and include that right there for us. So I'm going to hit update again and publish to site. So you can choose themes. By default, there's a really basic WD default theme, and that's in here by default. It also has the ability to add on plugins, which we don't have in there at the moment. Just getting things started. You can change around the banner of your site. Maybe I'd like to add to the banner at the top of each page a H1 that says hi. So let's do that. And here's the H1. I just put it as H1 instead of hi. Let's change that to hi. And say update and publish to site. And if I hit refresh, there's the hi, and that will show up on each and every page. For instance, Community Covenant. Here we go. There's the hi. It's one of my other pages here. You will get some of these pages on your site when you get started. So some of the ones that you'll get is contact and index and privacy in terms of use. The media section is where you can add media. I can hit media here and choose upload. And then in my code, I can just copy and paste this and put it in as the media. Footer, same thing as you would expect as banner and header. Okay, this is the header is head of the document. Banner is the top. Footer is the bottom. We also have Site Analytics. Site Analytics lets you see your page views, how much hard disk has been taken. You can even look at the raw data of all that coming in. So I hope you like this. This was just a basic understanding of how to use Site Builder in WebFrame. Thank you. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.